Hey folks, I'm Dr. Drew Sinatra. Well, there's a shortage out there of hand sanitizer. If any of you have tried to go to a pharmacy or order some from Amazon, no luck. No one can get any at this point. So if you have at home some very basic ingredients, you can actually make your own sanitizer. And what I recommend is that if you have some 99% isopropyl alcohol, combining that with some aloe vera gel into a small container, that's going to work for you. The ratio is this: you want to have 2/3 cup of the 99% isopropyl alcohol, combine that with the 1/3 cup of the aloe vera gel. The aloe vera is there primarily to prevent drying out if you can use it on your hands, and put it into a spray bottle and use that thing everywhere that you need to obviously, prevent the spread of the coronavirus and from you getting it. And the best thing, of course, is washing your hands. But if you're in a pinch and you need to use this stuff, or you're at work and you're a little suspicious, or you're on an airplane, use this hand sanitizer that you've created, because it will help prevent the spread of the coronavirus. All right, stay healthy out there.